how you can use Noteful's built-in pen feature and all the different settings that's included. Your pen tool in Noteful is going to be right here, and it kind of looks like a calligraphy pen. So whenever you tap on the pen, it's going to pop up right over here a color, and this is going to be the color that you are set to use if you start writing. So if I just started writing, it's going to go in that black color. But if you wanted to change these options, all that you're going to do is click right here on the pen tool, and then you have a whole bunch of different options here. You have a ballpoint pen or kind of like a felt pen. I kind of feel like this is more like a felt pen, and I really like this option in Noteful because my handwriting is so much better. So you could choose this pen, and then you have your different sizes here that are like preset options, but you can also drag this up and down to make it whatever size you want, and then you could write. So I feel like I write so much better in Noteful than I do in GoodNotes. I don't know what it is about the pen, but I really love their pen options here. So this is just your pen option. You can also click here and you can have some extra options here like auto shape, meaning if you drew a circle and held it, it's going to turn into a circle. You have scribble to erase here. So what that means is if I scribbled over top of this and then I held, it's going to erase it. That's an option within Noteful, and that's an option with other apps as well. You have your delay set here. So what that means is if you were scribbling to erase, how long of a delay you have set is how long you have to hold it before it erases that. You have your pen pressure here where you can enhance your sensitivity. So this is where you can choose if you want that option. You can draw on hover. This is where strokes can be drawn even without pen pressure. So you have, if you want to turn that on, you can draw a stroke and it's going to draw without a lot of pressure. And then if you go back to your pens here, you have your fountain pen, and then you have kind of like a marker pen look here. And then you also have some other options here where you can select the pressure, the width, the smooth, how smooth, and how much motion smoothing you want. So those are all your pen options here. I love this first pen. It writes really well, and that's the default one I go with. Now, if you want to change your colors, you're going to click right up here on this color, and this is where you can add in more favorites. So right here, it's just kind of put on this black color that's not even really black. It's like a navy blue. So if you wanted it to be specifically black, you could change the hex code right here. The black hex code is 6 zeros. Just hit OK. And now this is going to change to black. But let's say I also wanted to have like a pink pen. I'm going to add one right here, change it to pink, and then change the pink color I want, or if I could put in a hex code if I wanted to, if I knew the exact hex code that I want. And now I can flip between my favorites here and have different pen colors. And you can have as many as will fill up this space. There's not like a limit, so you can have a ton of pen colors up here and it will fill up this whole entire space. Now, if you did not want all these pen colors up here and you wanted to delete these, while you're tapped on there, all you're going to do is long press and then you can go through here and delete. So I'm going to go through here and delete all these because I don't want all this. Now, if you wanted to kind of choose colors in a different way, I have it preset to wheel, but you could also choose grid, and it's going to give you a lot of preset color options here. And then you have custom style, and what that means is when you turn that on, you can have your different options here. So I'm going to choose what size pen I want, what kind of stroke style I want. So let's say I want like this dotted line, and then this one right here is going to be favorited as that. So if I click right here, I'm going to be able to write with the dotted line, but if I click on this one, it's just going to be a solid line. So it's different favorite options for different custom styles. So you can be able to favorite your pen styles that you like and choose between different type of pens and always have them favorited rather than having to go back over here to your pen settings and change it each time. And that's a pretty cool option within Noteful. So that is all of the pen settings in Noteful and how that you're going to use them within the app.